Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an app action to your scenario and save it. To begin, make sure you have your scenario open. Think of a scenario as the workspace where your automation lives. It's the place that holds your apps, the steps they perform, and the way data moves between them. If you already created a scenario earlier, open it now so you can continue building exactly where you left off. Inside the scenario canvas, look for the plus button. This is your gateway to adding something new. Click it to bring up the app catalog. If your interface looks crowded, zoom out slightly so the button is easier to see. Clicking this plus ensures the new component lands in the right spot in your workflow. Next, use the search bar to find the app you want to integrate. Type the app's name clearly and wait a moment for results to load. If you don't see it right away, try a shorter keyword or the official app name rather than a nickname. Some platforms split apps into versions, so check for the correct one. When you see the app you need, select it. A quick tip here: verify the app icon and description so you know you're choosing the official integration. Selecting the right app at this stage prevents rework later and ensures you get the correct set of features. You'll then choose an action. Actions are the things the app will do inside your scenario, like creating a record, sending a message, or updating a file. Read the action descriptions carefully, and pick the one that matches your goal. If you see both triggers and actions, stay on the actions list for this step, since we're adding something that performs work rather than listening for events. If the platform prompts you to connect an account, go ahead and connect it. If you already have a valid connection, simply select it from the list. Otherwise, sign in and grant only the permissions the action requires. Give your connection a clear name so you can reuse it later. Avoid entering any sensitive credentials directly into notes or descriptions, and confirm you're linking the correct workspace or organization if the app supports multiple contexts. Once your account is set, click OK to confirm and apply your choices. This locks in the app and action so the scenario can reference them properly. Finally, click Save. Saving writes your changes to the scenario and prevents you from losing your work. After the save completes, you're ready to continue building or revisit configurations as needed.